Alright, so A plus eba bekasa enra na Hopeson Adorye nso aba abema no the perfect response. Hopeson Adorye ne message no odi aba no akoye te se de odi A plus eku school kakra. Yes, enra A plus ebe make allegations be against the former president Akufo Addo. Awra hu semi a asiya ye dwen ye ho no. It looks like A plus pointing fingers on the former president. Na post me ensa na A plus emekiye. Sa post me ensa na A plus emekiye on Facebook ni nyina no. Akoye te se de or pimp Akufo Addo akutia ana obo Akufo Addo sommo even after the plane crash. Helicopter na enya accident ya chese yina yesu no. A plus or say Akufo Addo eya kokora bone enti niema bi o na e wose Akufo Addo edigu akwan mu a wonfo ngu na no ena nsem bi a Hopeson Adorye ekokan no abie yani ama yehu se saa na ne A plus e ka no enye saa netie na mepese ye hwe ensem a A plus kan no yiwi a ne aba behwe explanation a Hopeson Adorye edi aba regarding concerns a plus erezi no. Na the first post A plus emiki on Facebook ni A plus ebetrim say when Akufo Addo became president, Mahama had built UGMC, that is University of Ghana Medical Center. Now, Ochemu say, instead of adding DNA, he spent $97 million on a hole. Akokora bone. Na say, after the helicopter crash, Yentimian recognize, say, we body ni, you know. We needed to conduct a DNA test, but then unfortunately, equipment are the best are testing. Ibi ni Ghana ha, and into A plus say President Mahama AC UGMC no. Senka Akufo Addo nso eto equipment gumu a ke hu hia sesa abere ye de be samples ebeko South Africa akwakoye test. And not to say a country that can't do DNA analysis has $97 million to spend on a hole. That was his second post. Now the third post, you know. And I may beka ho asemi A plus actually him say as president Akufo Addo equipped the police with not one but two vintage helicopters. Each of the choppers was proudly 50 years old at the time of purchase. Together these choppers have a combined age of 100 years, slightly older than the purchaser. Aviation historians are still debating whether they belong in the skies or in a museum. Dear pilots, please resist the temptation to fly these airborne antiques. Akufo Addo, akokora bone. Na say A plus say Akufo Addo anto helicopter papa biya magana. Helicopter so toy no mo edi beye 50 years. Just say 50-year-old helicopters and Akufo Addo. Etoma the Ghana Police Service na chesensem na A plus e ka no akwakoye se accident na CIA na era ho no ono de e di blame no kakra e ma Akufo Addo esan so se DNA enya available Akufo Addo eto equipment papa ke betimi aye DNA no wo Ghana ke wunya se be ko South Africa nsa ena o san akiri mu se helicopters kra no wan sheda am to papa bia sa ma Ghana eno nti no plane ya eko crash yi. It could be say nanka one of the latest helicopters I will be asia nka accident yi kra ensi na ensem o kan yi Hopeson Adorye e de emu nchichi mu aba. Hopeson Adorye was asked a question. Yes, unim say Akufo Addo time na Hopeson Adorye e ye adwuma man national security e wo airport. Yes, enu nti no o say one pilots ni bi edi nkomo concerning helicopters any planes are just say edi mfie bebere no. Hopeson Adorye so ne pilots edi nkomo amo macheche ni mu. The reason why are sometimes aeroplanes ni bi edi 50 years, 60 years, 20 years, 30 years. And inti odincheche mu aba sancheche mu no e vindicate Akufo Addo as against accusation A plus ede bono say wakwakoto plane dada edi 50 years no. But then before say bekwakotie explanation Hopeson Adorye ede abano se CID asem da ba esanse lemfa say sika bia wo be sandi bia no obeche wo sika no 2%. Yes, so you will be using lemfa app no now send $50 or more. Obecho usika no mu 2%. Or Canada now send $50 or more. Obecho 2%. And now UK we send £50 or more. Lemfi ebecho usika no mu 2%. Europe now send €50 or more. Lemfi say usika na wa send no. Obecho usika no mu 2%. From now till the 9th of September. Lemfi esio tawachi. And inti ni here anasa obe send $50 or more, £50 or more, €50 or more, and I say $50 or more. Usika na wa send no or the 2%. Ebeto wallet mu free. So you will be a one so one download the Lemfi app on there. And you know download the name o download the we kai say obe use me promo code TREATS. Na transaction be a obe bia no Lemfi ebema usika no 2%.
And say more we na mate say almost say fighter jet be a koto say Russia die bia omo are time no na omo ko fa de buy. See akoto fighter jet.
One say aircraft no e ho nsem ne say obehu aircraft bi na e ho ye kama pa obe check no na bia 1974 yes eya na enye easy some bem do new ones ni ade sa na mum dada na wo mosesa na bi o mare fabrication e bia engine no ni asesa ni aye ni na kaka but year of manufacturing they will check out bo say 1974 na bo
no enhadwen.
Oh, that one refurbishing ni ade asesa engines ni ade
okay.
Me can say Madam Fubakwa no you are pilot you Fadi Dabusi or do say because of politics in the entertainment or no say unim so a pilot or no and then what church beside you we mu pa ne
yeah national reconciliation
Fadi Fadi Dabusi MPP Fadi the only Obroni in MPP so why a pilot so these are some of the things as I say the
news why a pilot
a pilot or a US train any other
what airports I would name a Niamamo Kakano before even a helicopter no a bit too and as be a flight a presidential jets no what really goes into it dear
one say flight BSC or Ghana e buy na engineers come be refueling be engine be checking so everything is fine. There are several times KLM be near the day or mother chrome home man go back or mo check or mo so be a bibi leaky yintino muntiminko maybe or ma cancel flight then the next day to fight for fraba and to when we say media or mo na soldier for nankasa engineers no or mo aye service ni ne kai ka ho so on eje no nientia SSC nya a good presidential jet. President Akufo Addo as a president, not the commercial flight to Kwampa, BA Emirates. Now, on 2 or 3 occasions, at the backs, a car was landing.
President.
One particular one, the 3 days, 3 days, and say, now, me say obi owo President Akufo Addo hu bia wo hwe bia wo attest to it BA for British Airways for more airport so be hwe you attest to it. Now one particular yibi na owo small bag bia timu say the documents bi ni manka ohia etia ya de immediately me say ya ka say you say bibia ma me say what did say you say politi hey Fim John am hoso.
And man so be with me ra kwa di imagine can be.
Yes, I ira.
But imagine can be also ira.
Ira. But you see,
I mean,
this is countries I know person most surprise African countries. Eka hui. Won beti mi abie so aska ni bibia. No masa pack ni pepepe hu si abie bag ne so. No mo de wade ato ho no.
Na egu abonti.
Na egu abonti. Enti adenti unnecessary oba penny efasa stress no mo. So and then I went for commercial flight. Hey, commercial flight I just want to be for. Them depending on adia wo kwa koye. Your programs for Ghana every day president is busy. Okay, meko ahase dase. Wo woni jeta onim so okay you tour ebia 8 hours and nasa yiro so 10 hours no. ye wo honom omo calculate na chese omo move wo kofa commercial flight a e bi kra baby a wo ko do untimi nko street wo ko kusi baby no wasa kwakoye transit na eye a whole lot eti Ghana oman no nyama bi wo hodom a yenti look American president secretary na e kan de omonte me se mu hu a wo di nyina echi no se wo move a hweka wo mu bo e wo ne travel se wo ko enemy territory jet fighters ebo ne yi ne fighting boys F1 and other than
F1 the former
wo mu bo hu ban no enya diketua wo ko South Arabia sa jet fighters no baako 50 ebo mo sarandu no hunyina bi wo wiem bi wo ase bi wo nchen enimu ekire
ese se do nam for ma ya twa mo
wokasa wo ba wuntimi ucheze wo to bomb se den wo nya no wo bo begege ni nyina na would you just imagine how much it will cost for just that single trip me say who nyina chi no America for do no
high esteem
because for your president
you be politics aka say ye niska
e no ni asem no
na me kai pan say Dr. Mane Boama e show one ni pay that time no more casafa presidential jet won Mane ba be kan say nyema bebre e wo jet na won assess say is not in good shape and state kasa bebre ye dia manyo sem we to we Mane na say na do time na ayede na do it me imagine ya hu the interval between time or mampanyi dada etu jets no ene bra wo mo e kasa is not in good shape or good state no enti bi na ye kan wase mi ekoba even recently meaning renowned journalist bia e ba ya no mo kasa jet no mo dia kosi I think one of France no ni pose de bi yen kasa o memo mo fa ma ye so say yen to presidential jet
once eno na ye be photo NDC kakra
anyway
and the sense say tamana Akufo Addo high private jet no na you feel say obo man ka but you really feel say he is the president or no ne o man no eti say you focus in say ko no so me making sure say ya born ho ban wa feel okay look president who go through stress mo adwene now dey be ya adwuma no wo he wo fuck up one pay the whole country is fucked up
hey honorable dey we
anya fuck back no na me ka Entino, baby, I get no. As I say, yetimi ba up as a country. Now you making sure say this time round, ye na ye ko benkrum. Me are making sure say ya nya near efata. Look, President Bienu ho betna so afibo. President Beba. But ye na se ye ni ya e benefiti obia. Etiesre the minority, the opposition, ye na ye nkambom ne making sure say this time there you are getting it right.
All right, so utie me Hopeson Adorye kan ye dia na che say post na A+ make ya na all bo Akufo Addo somwo say wakoto plane dada no. According to pilots no, there's nothing wrong. The plane could be 50 years old, but na near me womb no new. So ko US there are a lot of planes at this several years. Now, so they are still using it. Maintenance, no? I don't know what to think, but then as usual, you can share your opinion in the comment section.